It was a routine OPD day. I was sitting in my OPD and a patient called Ulpa came in. She was very calm and straightforward said, સાહેબ મને પેન્ક્રેટિક કેન્સર છે અને તમારે ઓપરેટ કરવાનું છે. There was a 2-second pause. I was like, okay, let's do it. And this is for the few patients I have seen in my career that those are very much, those who have the courage to say that I am having cancer and I am going to fight it. She was one of them. After the proper evaluation and all, we decided to go in. We saw the CT, the blood parameters, everything was okay. We planned the operation. On the day of operation, usually this kind of surgeries, the pancreatic cancer surgeries, are very complex. They tend to take time for about 6 to 8 hours, sometimes even 12 hours. So I usually operate such kind of complex operations in the morning, early morning. I was just about to wake up and I got a call from a medical officer at 5 o'clock in the morning, and with a wavy voice he said, so the patient who was going to post it today is corona positive. Corona is also a deadly and lethal disease, and underlying cancer brings the immunity very down. So I was slightly, feeling that now she's not going to make it. I was in constantly touch with the physician that how is she going, the blood parameters and all. And after the 15 days, we consulted many leading critical care specialists of the India, that whether after the corona positive case becomes negative, what is the ideal time to operate. That was a major surgery. I'm talking about an 8 to 10 hour surgery. So the duration is high. The surgeon, anesthetist, OT staff, hospital staff, everyone is at the exposure, and the duration is so long that there is a likely possibility that everyone will get the infection. So I consulted many critical care specialists and all. They said that it is not advisable to go for a big surgery. But when I was sitting at home one day after all these events happened, I was thinking that I have to do something for this patient, something for her life. I consulted one of my good colleague who is there in the Delhi, that I want to do something for this patient. He said, you go ahead. You have the good parameters, the blood parameters are down, the corona reports are negative twice, consecutive samples. He said, you go ahead, let's see what happens when it happens, you go ahead.
Vipal surgery is a complex and very long-standing surgery, and it's a very big challenge for anesthesiologist also. We require lot of invasive monitoring like arterial line, central venous line, and epidural anesthesia also.
Intraoperatively, we have done very intensive monitoring. It was all went well. Post-operatively, we have given pain relief with the help of epidural anesthesia. Patient remain in ICU for another 2 days.
So being a very challenging case and long surgery, it was very difficult case. And post-COVID lung fibrosis, to give anesthesia and to manage pain and ventilatory management, it was very difficult.
In this patient, this tumor, to take out a tumor from a body, it took around 6 to 7 hours own. 6 to 7 hours to take out a tumor from a body, and then another 3 to 4 hours to do a reconstruction. Her post-operative course was uneventful, and we were so happy that we delivered what we promised.
ડૉક્ટરે મારો જીવ બચાવ્યો એમને જીવમાંથી જીવ બચાવ્યો.